Hello, today I'm going to show you how to adjust, assemble, remove, and use your head restraints on the example of your rear seated area. First step, of course, is we are going to push the button on the side of that assembling, and then we can move it up and down to adjust the height of your head restraints. If you have a key with you, you can use the emergency key to extract your restraints out of the housing. Push this key into the slides on the sides, and we can then move up and remove our head restraints. Here we are, job's done. That's easy peasy, as you can see. Good job for the removing. To get them back in position or a new one into position, it's really easy too. We get a new one or the same and push it back in position, and it will be locked in where you would like to lock it. Job's done, baby. Of course, some of the head restraints have a button on the side to move it forward, to move it backward, to move it up and down as you need it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you on my channel. Dun dun.